Come join us on the craziest urban exploration you have ever seen. Gives extreme vibes of Lara Croft. 4 floors, engulfed by the jungle, on the biggest mansion in Wales. And plank walking may be included.
Yeah, we didn't just climb over that gate or anything. To find secret mansion hidden in the woods.
Well, we're definitely on the old cut track. So you can see it's man-made in between here, but it's getting a bit overgrown. There's a sign we're in an old manor house. A massive redwood, look, the size of this. Look what we found just in the middle of nowhere. Just come through jungle to get to this. What is it? Part of the gardens or something. Crazy. From some walls, left and right. Oh, wow. Look at this. Oh, this is amazing. Yeah.
Just be careful. Keep an eye out what's above and what's below.
Most of it's fallen down. Well, that used to be. I wonder what these circular things were on the wall. There's just been something ornamental in there. Very cool.
The roots look coming down over the walls. Nature reclaiming.
From the old oven. It just goes on and on. It's massive. I've come across something interesting. Oh wow. Oh, look at that. That's amazing. I don't think you should stand on that. This doesn't look like the bottom floor. That's how you get downstairs. Like something out of Tomb Raider. This is immense.
Bit of a leaky roof. Fireplace halfway up the wall.
Come back with a metal detector to see if there's anything hidden under the floorboards. That must be the old oven in the corner. Wow. this is for? Some sort of engine, isn't it? It's a crankshaft.
These might have been the old kitchens, look.
The word of the day is wow. This is immense. There's 1, 2, 3 fireplaces at least on this one. Get a good view of the sheer scale of the place from this side. This is crazy. This is one of the best things I've ever seen. I'm just putting it out there. This is amazing. Don't like the look of that. Going for it. Wow. Some cash put into this building. You can see the detailing. That is massive in there. It's the size of the girders. Yeah. Already done that, haven't we? Right, yeah. I don't know which way we went round it.
I have no idea.
I like these columns now. Yeah, this is definitely more grand for the proper entrance. It's been growing there a while. Size of these. Around every bend there's something better. That's really dodgy in this room though.
Oh!
See the old grand staircase.
Yeah, looks like one of those Escher drawings, doesn't it?
So we can find any vintage wines down there. Probably been looted, haven't they? That's where they stashed the wine. There's a long way, there's going to be bottles left. Someone thought of that idea long ago.
Looks like a bit of a dodgy way to get out.
Got some sort of big pot there. No idea. Oh, I think I found a sofa. Nope, that's the water tank. And that's what it was on at some point. Let's go back around, I think. The dodgy room, I don't think I'd go in. What are these then? That's like a really old fridge. Ancient fridge. Don't make them like that anymore. There's the old window. This is a bit of luxury for the horses. Tiled walls. Look at that. Oh, that would look brilliant as a front gate. I can't try carrying that out here.
Don't laugh. No laughing.